DJI Mavic 2 Pro, first flight using Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Got that coming up next. As some of you are aware of, I recently upgraded my smartphone to a Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and I've been very anxious to use it with the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Yesterday, the weather was absolutely perfect, and I had the chance to do that. Now, the first clip I'd like to share with you is setting up the Galaxy Note 10 Plus with a DJI Mavic 2 Pro controller. Okay, I'm going to show you how to hook up your Galaxy Note 10 Plus to your DJI Mavic 2 controller. Now, the first thing you want to do on the controller is go ahead and open up the arms to their fully extended position. Then go ahead and get your Galaxy Note 10 and want to get it up as far as possible, touching up against the bottom of the controller. Then go ahead and place your arms in so they're pretty much straight up and down, as you can see on both sides here. Now there is direct access here. I hope you can see right to where the port is, and that's where we're going to go ahead and stick the cable. So it's in there and it's good and tight. And then obviously it goes in the bottom here. And there you have it. You have your Galaxy Note 10 Plus hooked to your DJI Mavic controller. Now the second clip is how to set up and use the new built-in screen recording feature on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Okay, Samsung has added a built-in screen recorder to their Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I'm going to show you, go ahead real briefly on how to get this set up. Now you want to get into settings, and you want to go to advanced features. And under advanced features, you want to hit screenshots and screen recorder. And then you're going to go ahead, and screenshot toolbar is already on. Delete shared screenshots, that's an option. And screen recorder settings, we're going to go ahead in there. Now I have this set for media, sounds, and mic. I have it set to record at 1080p. And the selfie video size, there's an option to do a selfie video. I have that set to the middle. So that's all set to go. Now to engage screen recorder, let's go ahead and get back into the settings. We're going to go ahead and flip over to the second page where it has the option for screen recorder. And hit that, and then you'll see a countdown. And then screen recorder is starting right there. Now to go ahead and stop screen recorder, you hit on the toolbar right here, you hit the stop button. And to go ahead and see that, you go ahead and access that via gallery and take a look and see. And we'll play the video. Obviously I didn't move anything right there, but there is your screen recording for your Samsung Galaxy Note 10. And the third clip are the flights. An auto takeoff.
Takeoff.
About 100 feet. Okay, we're at 100 feet right now. Let's go ahead and take it out. Perfect day. It is absolutely perfect. The sky is so blue. Yesterday we had remnants of cyclone out in the Gulf, and it was just unbelievably windy yesterday. It was just crazy windy yesterday. Now one of the things that I do want to do is I do want to test return to home, because this is part of the app here. So let's go ahead and do that.
Go home.
You could tell the screen, I'm pretty impressed because I can actually see the screen here out in the sunshine. Not as good as the smart controller, but it does very well. I'm pretty impressed with this. Mavic 2 Pro is almost overhead. And again, this is about one of the first, I haven't used the regular remote in a long time. I've been using the smart controller ever since May here. So we are overhead. Let's go ahead and pitch the gimbal down so we can take a look at the landing here.
Landing.
Looking like it's going to be spot on here. And we're going to see the gimbal adjust. It's going to be a spot on landing. Let's see the gimbal adjust right before touchdown here. There we go. All right, couldn't get any better than that as far as the landing is concerned. We're going to go ahead and take it out for a little bit of a longer flight. I'm going to take it off manually this time.
Take off.
And up to about 100 feet like I like. Absolutely gorgeous day today. Heading out to a smaller corner of the lake. It's a little, going to get it to about 12, probably be about 1,200 feet, maybe 1,300 feet here. And then we'll do another return to home. It's about 1,500. Let's go ahead and we'll do a return to home here.
Go home.
So far, so good with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Again, I'm very impressed with that. Galaxy Note 10 Plus, also just to let everyone know, it does have a built-in screen recorder this go around. You don't have to download one off the App Store, which usually had ads in it. This one is actually from Samsung, and it's on the main settings screen. All you got to do is swipe down, and if you do it when you open the DJI Go 4 app, it'll be on the second page, and it's very easy, and it will also record your sound too. So that makes that absolutely fantastic. And there's the Mavic 2. And again, I can't tell you, I'm pretty doggone impressed, even in the sunlight, that we can see this here. Again, not as good as a smart controller, but it's very, very, very
Landing.
good. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the pitch of the gimbal. And again, this is something for me because I haven't used the regular remote since May. This has been very eye-opening for me. I think we're coming in for another textbook landing here. And there we have it. We tested the Galaxy Note 10 Plus with the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Now here are several still shots of what the screen on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus looks like outside. Now the reason I'm using still shots is that my reflection completely washed out the screen for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and you weren't able to see the DJI Go 4 app at all. And with all of that, I came up with 4 observations I'd like to go ahead and pass on to you. Now, the first one is the DJI Go 4 app worked absolutely flawlessly. I used auto takeoff, I used return to home, I changed some of the settings, and absolutely it was spot on. There was absolutely no problems whatsoever with that. Now, the visibility, number 2, the visibility on the DJI Go 4 app on the Galaxy Note 10 was very good, but it wasn't that of the smart controller. The smart controller is absolutely stellar in the bright sunshine. But what I can say is this, is that it is something you can use on a bright, sunny day and still be able to see the DJI Go 4 app and still be able to see your first-person view. Number 3, it was easy to set up the Galaxy Note 10 Plus on the DJI Mavic 2 remote controller. It was absolutely no problem at all. But a side note with that as well, as I mentioned in that clip, you do need to remove any case that you have on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And last but not least, there was excellent audio and video from the screen recording on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It was absolutely stellar. I was very, very pleased with that. Question of the day. What Android or Apple device do you use? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding technology and anything in the technology industry. Also check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day for technology.